Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI coming to you from inside my closet where I have found another fantastic way to organize.
This is the ZEDODIER 2-pack tank top hanger, and it is the best space-saving solution. I have used it to hang up my sports bras because I was looking for a better way to organize all of my workout wear, and these have been such a lifesaver. The design is honestly so great. They are nice and thin, so you are able to hang everything up and save tons of space. Instead of having bulky hangers taking over, you have this multi-slot design that is perfect for small closets, apartments, or even if you just have a big closet and want to put more in there. It's a durable, lightweight design that is going to keep your closet looking so much cleaner.
These bra hangers have made such a huge difference for me. I absolutely love them and I definitely recommend getting some for yourself. And that's my point of view.